YouTube, Aerosport here. Welcome to the Hangout. You're looking at my engine leveling device. Hook that to the crane and pop the engine right out with it. Here's a look at the stripped engine. I have all the accessories off, ready to come out of there. Here's the engine bay, minus the engine. Pretty dirty. That's one of the reasons I wanted to pull the engine out. There's a firewall minus the fan and the AC components. Here's a shot of the engine. It's a 430 horsepower ZZ4 350. You also see the 4-speed tied on the rear end. That's coming out and a new 5-speed's going in. Here's a shot of my intake hardware. First I zinc chromate primed it, then I painted it with gloss black. I'm not sold on the gloss black, so I may upgrade to 12-point stainless steel. I think that would set off the engine right nice. The old vet set for quite a while. Good old mice got in there and just urinated all over everything. They stained my manifold, they stained my elite valve covers. If they didn't pee on it, they crapped on it. Here in a second you'll see that the left side of the intake is shiny and the right side is dull. The reason for that is the whole intake was sandblasted to try to get rid of the urine stains, and now I'm going back with a rotary brush and trying to polish it up. After the rotary brush, I'll move to sandpaper rolls. After the sandpaper rolls, then I'll move on to buffing pads with some sort of polishing compound on them. John, I'd like to thank you for the sticker you sent me a little while back. That's Jev Chance. I'll give you a proper shout out on my next mail call video. Once again, hey, thanks a lot for the sticker. This wire wheel's really doing a pretty good job of bringing the shine up on this intake. The only problem with it is it's a little large in diameter. I ordered 4 or 5 from McMaster Car of varying sizes from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. So that I can get down into the little cracks and crevices. You know, before I started sandblasting this intake, I said, I better plug up all the holes. So I left all the plugs and all the threaded holes, and as you can see, I put masking tape on everything else that looked like it might let sand into the inside of the intake. I was real proud of myself and worked real hard, you know, trying to get it just so. I got the intake home, set it down on the workbench, and if you look underneath of it towards the right side, you can see white lines. That's the sand falling out of inside the intake. So if you ever want to sandblast something, expect to find sand, because putting tape over everything just doesn't stop it. Well, I'm just over 4 minutes here with the video. I don't know how much or how long sane people can watch this, so I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to say, hey, thanks for stopping by the Hangout. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and good evening.